So now everybody talks about the system, but which is the products we can use and we can eliminate the VOCs, pollutants. See, that's the most important aspect of any HVAC system because it's not easy to remove all these particles, dust allergies, VOCs. So which products we can use in train? So this scatters all these allergies, allergic dust, pollutants, and the VOCs. So basically, you are aware after pandemic, everything is changed. Total world is changed, and there is a more awareness about air, what we breathe, what we inhale, and how it affects our health. Dr. Mohan gave a good insights of Delhi. I think that's eye-opening for us. You can see the lot of short-term effects like headache, irritation, coughing, then breathlessness, and long-term you can even get the attacks, then lung infections, all these major issues with the only air. Before pandemic, little bit not so much aware about this air, but now everybody about this indoor air quality management, all these things now come in picture. So now how to use this HVAC in a big way when we are using these air conditioning systems. So now there is a train which we offer the products which caters and which use these technologies to remove these VOCs. See, I think as Mr. Vikas and Mr. Abhijit told, see, indoor air is worse than outdoor. See, mostly you can say 53% is the cause of ventilation system which we inhale. 70 to 80% our time is mostly we use in the office, traveling. Then we can inhale the outdoor air. Similarly, most we can inhale in the indoor air. And as Mr. Vikas touched, the sick building syndrome is the major concern in every buildings, office, hospitals. Nobody cares about this sick building syndrome. Everybody come, works, and just go. But while they are leaving the office, they are actually deteriorating their health. Every you can say we can reduce our life maybe 4 to 5 years if we are surviving in this indoor worst indoor air or you can say the worst indoor air quality. So basically, a lot of water leakages, mold, then fungal growth, then you can say the lot of wrong HVAC selection, wrong equipment use in the products. So this all caters in all these sick building syndromes. That's a major culprit. And as your productivity goes down, then you are getting headaches, your people get sick, your sick leaves are increasing. So all this, Mr. Vikas already touched on this subject in a good way. So as a train, yes, we have the products which caters all antivirus options. A lot of products are there. I will not touch each and every products, but yes, we can cater all your VOCs, pollutant or dust particles with all our products like air handling units, fan coil units. Lot of varieties there which caters pharma, hospital, industries, residential or commercial hospital segments. These all HVAC products we can use with the well equipped. You can say the virus removing equipments. So basically the controls, yes, Mr. Vikas told the Trane is a big company in the controls. We have all the product range from chillers to the air handling units, and we have our own control team. A lot of IoTs, remote control sensors we are using in our Trane technology equipments. So we can take the help of all these equipments, and we are using these equipments in our day-to-day HVAC products. So again, basically, this all you can say the smart HVAC. What is a smart HVAC? Already, Mr. Vikas told us is a kind of sensors, hi-fi equipments, controls, monitoring, remote control, IoT. These all use of in the smart HVAC. So we can get the real data monitoring. We can set the parameters as per our requirements. If indoor, outdoor, weather conditions, your occupants' health, your building health, we can check immediately and we can correct at that points only. So that's most important aspects. Now we are using the smart HVAC controls, and now this necessity. Earlier maybe it's a luxury, but no, now currently this is a must. Every HVAC system, I think we can use IoT systems, remote control system, sensors. Maybe this add-on cost, but yes, this will improve your health and your indoor air conditions mostly. So this is now a requirement. Every consultant, contractor, customers go for this. There is no the cost saving is not is a good way to just cut down cost on these IoTs or sensors or these good quality equipments. We have to use it in a bigger way now, and that awareness I think is coming. Yes, it takes some time because finally it's going the cost, but many customer consultants, you can say now they are using these IoTs and this hyper and this smart HVAC systems in their premises and in their HVAC systems. Again, we have the product called Alco Cloud. Is our own company. Trane acquired this company. Is a German company who's manufacture the AHUs. We have the plant in China and Germany. We have the software which monitors all your VOCs. It's very useful for the architects, consultants. This gives a real-time data. You can just input your all weather conditions, all your AHU parameters, and you can monitor. You can get the real-time ventilation system details, everything with the help of this Alco Air Cloud. Is also app is available. I think is a web-based system is there. So this is one of the fantastic tool available for you. So everything is available for us. We have to use it and make our building very useful and workable. And you can use that sick building syndrome. You can get away with all these tools. So as a train, we have the technology, we have the tools, we have the app. So we can help us everybody. You can consult contractors or end users to use these tools and get their buildings efficiently and effectively and improve their indoor quality managements. See, basically all this you knows everybody talk about the lot of things, systems and everything, but how to remove this? You everybody aware about all these systems we can use like PCOs, high voltage electrostatic filters. Then you can say the UV lamps, anion, bipolar ion. And now we have the train TC AC is the new system developed in the train. Is a purely only used for the antivirus systems. So you can see the PCO can remove only bacteria particles and VOCs. You can see this table, but you can see this train catalytic air cleaning system, which removes everything. This system is developed in the train, specially for this antivirus and this sick building syndromes, and we can use this in all our HVAC products available with us. So I will focus on this TC AC. I will not go in detail much because of the time constraint. See, this is all just for your knowledge only. Everybody knows about this. This is a PCO system. Basically, it's a kind of, you can say the photocatalytic oxidation used basically with the help of UV light. Mostly it's effective in hospital operating rooms. The mostly PCO used in that categories. Then another is the high voltage electrostatic filter. This again mostly used in the power plants, cement manufacturing plants, and some medical facilities to remove the airborne bacteria and fungi. These are the major cause of your air quality issues. And this is our train catalytic air cleaning system, which used in mostly in air handling units. So this is a pre-engineered and factory installed product. It is a blended technology. It is a high efficiency particle capture like MARV13 filters. Then organic and inorganic particle of specific size. We can use the UVGI. Then mini intensity around 775. You can say micron watts per square centimeter. Then you can all this you can say the inactivate biological organism DNA, regenerates catalyst media, photocatalytic oxidation, and then inactivates airborne biological contaminants, break down organic chemical contaminants. So these are the basic features of this train catalytic air cleaning system we use in our products. And this is the kind of system we can use. See, basically it's a kind of three step system is capture, clean and convert. So basically your filter capture the your all dust particles. Then your UV light is can kill the airborne biological contaminants, and then your PCO which kill the VOCs and everything. You can get the finally a clean air through this TC ACS system. So it's very most useful in all your buildings or your hospitals, all your offices. We can use this system in the AHUs. See, only getting a AHU, only a box is not a useful. So we have to use this equipment with air handling units. It's most important to improve your air quality. Then again, same thing. This is just a schematic where we can use it. We can use the filter, then this TCAC system and the fan. So it's after coil you can use this system. So it's improve your air quality. And it's a factory installed. So in market you can get normal honeycomb type, but in a train this is a design and developed in train and in USA. So it is a UL certified, EPA registered. Then it's a third tested the product, and you can see the material is all protected by the VOCs. And this is just like sample photographs for you how it looks, this TCAC system. And this is just a performance when the system is off. You can see the drastic down in the VOC level with the use of this train TCAC system. And these are some test reports is all proven systems tested by train. Train always give the proven quality products in the market. So these are all test reports for your reference. And this is thank you. It's a small presentation from my side. Thank you.